Assalamualaikum and hello to my fellow friends, my supervisor and panels. So today I would like to present regarding my project called Prototype Parcel Collector Robot. Before we move to the next part, let's imagine that our robot is likely as the picture given. So the objective of this robot, as its name suggests, is to ease user by collecting the parcel or maybe any valuable item from the main gate of your house back to its position with only by using your phone. Next, to maximize the functionality of the robot so that it will benefit users. Lastly, is to design and control the robot by using your robot application which specifically designed for the robot. There are about 6 points of this project limitations. Since it is using line following concept, I will only highlight that this robot can only be used by Android user and this prototype can only carry up to 500 gram of parcel. So the introduction of this project is of course can be related with this COVID-19 pandemic. Not only user can avoid direct contact from the riders, they also would not bother to pick up the parcel at working hour since the robot can help them. Okay, as you can see the picture given, clearly we try to design the robot that came up with the safety lock box which to make sure that your parcel secured even when you instruct them when you are at work. So let's move on to this part. That's what I stated before. User doesn't need to pick up their parcels since the robot can replace them. And then the robot also came up with a user-friendly application interface. It's okay. We will look at the interface later. So this is my project schematic diagram. There are 4 sensors attached on the front and back of the robot. And I also use 12-volt battery to power up the 4TT motor which allows it to move smoothly. Okay, so this is my prototype diagram. The picture on the right side shows that the safety lock box being opened up for a clear view of what components used for safety lock system. Okay, so this is my overall flowchart. But don't worry, I have summarized this accordingly since you guys can clearly see this. So the first one will be the Bluetooth module. When a 12-volt power supply connected, the Bluetooth will then appear in our phone. Pair with your robot with given password 1234. Simple, right? Okay, on the application, a pop-up text will shows that your phone is connected automatically with the robot. Okay, this feature I have added in the coding in MIT app Inventor 2. Okay, next, this is the application interface, okay, which might ease user, especially for those who are not into NIT guys, just like me. Okay, just click what you want it to do and the robot will done it. Okay, here come the complex part. Actually, it is not too complex to understand as there are 4 conditions for the robot to determine where it will move. Either to move straight, turn right or left, or maybe stop. It's okay if you understand much. Let me guide again. As you can see in the picture above, the robot will only move straight when the sensor is in low condition. After that, the robot will turn a bit left if the right sensor is high. Same goes to the left sensor. It will turn right when the left sensor is high. Lastly, the robot will stop if front or back sensors having high condition. Okay, for the safety lock box, without saying much, let's go to the picture like before. So, the red LED shows that the box is locked. When user press unlock button or the robot arrives at the main gate, the robot will unlock. Once it unlocked, we can see green LED light up. And if you want to lock it back, just click lock again on the application itself. Okay, next. Overall, the conclusion. Okay, all the objectives for this project is accomplished. Last but not least, the robots are very useful for our daily life, especially for introvert person and shy cat person, just like me. Thank you guys. See you again later. Bye.